So, welcome to the round number 6, I believe it is. Let me double check. I think it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 6. So, welcome to the round number 6. Here I'm improving my programming abilities. We will be doing 5 minutes of typing exercise and then 30 minutes of going through Spring tutorials today. Let's go. Oh, what is the result? 735. few seconds to go, so we will do monkey type. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial, and we are about to generate the entire thing again, because I don't want it to be called demo, it will be REST service. So delete this, yes. Now we will go here and we will change SF. This will be REST service, and shift tab. This will be IO string. Why is it red? I don't know. Generate. Now we will download it to dev, projects, study, spring IO, here. Save. Now we will unzip it, extract all, extract. Cool. Much nicer. Much nicer. Okay, so we have the REST service. It's again like REST service. So how do I fucking... So if I delete this... Also, why is it opening always in this bullcrap? I want to... Open with and choose another map. Perhaps this guy always go, and that guy opens in here. Okay, so that's bullcrap. Here we go. REST service and extract Spring RJS. Yes, okay. Goodbye. Now this is how it should be. And here, tools, options. I want dark theme. Do we have a dark theme? Editor, settings, language. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see. What was that? Okay, that's not it. Tutorial. I want everything to be black. Black shadow. Okay, it's bullshit. I don't need it. I decided that I don't need it. So open, and we will go to dev, projects, study, Spring, and here I have like some other things, link link Spring Boot. What is this? Building Rust with Spring. Okay, what the hell is this? Let's try to open it. This window. I don't see the project. Alt home. Right. Oh, how it goes. Okay. So what is this thingy? Visual Maven documentation. Can I change view only? How can I switch between those? I don't know. Show guides, read me first. Spring is here I have some progress. Okay. Spring tutorials, Rust. Okay, so that is also something in there. Well, I think I will delete this too. Console types. Yes. There was this Linda thing. Okay, so let's take you out of here. To the Spring. Here we'll create new folder with paste. Okay. Coding, training, and working with schools. Okay, those two also we don't need here, and I need a bathroom break. So we'll pause this, and I will be back in a minute. Oh, you just left. Okay, well, thank you, Azome. Of course, coming by, but you're probably already away. So where were we? Soon. Where are my timers? Where did my timers go? Just great. Stopwatches 5. It's there. It's there too. So what the hell? It works. It works now. No problem. No problem. So this is something. We moved, and now I want to open the thing which we that was a spring.io, and it's this guy. This window, please. Yes. Make it bigger. Now we can continue with this. So 50 minutes, so we should be done. Starting, so we did that. You can get Maven built necessary for this initially. The following listing shows that is created when you choose Maven. Okay, so that will be listing bomb. There we go. And also I noticed that you probably don't see this on the stream, so this is better. Maybe it doesn't have to be this big. Beautiful. Beautiful. This is the thing they say, more or less. Oh, it's quite recent actually. REST service, dependency, org spring frame boot. Okay, yeah, that sounds about right. Plugins, spring boot, and spring Maven full login. Yeah, sure. You can get the Gradle. I don't care about Gradle, but it's much shorter. It looks nicer than the XML thingy. It's much more readable. Create resource representation class. Create your web service. Begin the process by thinking about service interaction. Service will handle GET requests for greeting optional with a name parameter in the query string. The GET request should return any HTTP response, JSON in the body of the person's greeting. Okay. The ID for the greeting, content section. Okay. To model the greeting representation, create a resource representation class. To do so, provide a blind or Bojo with fields, constructors, and accesses for the ID and content. So, greeting, ID, contact, and both final. Okay, so example REST service. Okay, so in source main Java REST service. Okay, so we will create the Java greeting. Okay, here's nothing interesting really. So we will just copy it and go ahead and just paste it in. So this one we will delete, and then this guy we will delete. Okay, so we got that. So you got that. This application uses the JSON library to automatically marshal instances of type greeting into JSON. JSON is included by default by the web starter. Create resource controller. Okay, so this is interesting. Are handled by a controller. These components are identified by REST controller. Okay. Annotation and the greeting controller shown in the following listing. Blah blah blah. And let's get request greeting by returning a new instance. So let's see that. So I will create this by manually because I want to know what is happening in here. So we will create the REST controller, greeting controller. Okay. Our class greeting controller, like so, and this was REST controller. Okay. Yes, we can import that. Thank you. We have a private static final string template. Private static final string. Private static final string template, and that will be hello. Yes, okay. Oh, there's the exclamation mark, whatever. We can do that. And the next thing was private final atomic long counter. Private final atomic long counter equals new atomic long. Like so. Come on. So now we have a method that is public greeting. It returns a greeting. Our greeting was this guy. Has a ID and string. Okay. So we do public greeting get greeting, just greeting, and it will take string name. And okay, so that is a REST param. Yes, no problem with that. Import. Here we go. And now, what do we have here? Value will be what name? What am I saying by saying the name? Request param binds the value of query string parameter name into the name parameter of the greeting. Okay. I see. So I see. So that takes the name and the default value. Okay, I get it. I get it. Name default value will be name. Okay, and it is a string name, and we will return. How is the constructor for that? String content. Okay. What they do? Name return new greeting containing current get string format template name. I get it. Okay. Greeting here, it will be atom. No, it will be count. Counter. Increment and get, and then there will be the string format. String.format. And we will have a template. Like so. Okay, this control consists in simple, but there's a plenty going on with the boot. The get mapping annotations ensures that grid. Okay, so I did not put in the grid, the mapping. So that is get mapping path, and it will be I think slash greeting. Yep. After greeting method, there are company annotations. Post, request. Oh, so you have a post mapping. As a request mapping annotation that they all derive from, and you can serve a synonym. Okay. Request parameter binds the value of the property string parameter name into the name parameter of the greeting. Yeah, that's kind of I understand. If the name parameter is absent in the request, the default value of what is used. Yes. The implementation of method body creates and returns a new greeting object with ID and content attributes. The content is one that is in here. Yes. Okay. Creates and returns new greeting content that we replaced. Yep. Key difference between traditional MVC control and the RESTful web service control shown earlier is the way that the HTTP response body is created rather than relying on a view technology to perform server-side rendering. Technology to perform server-side rendering of the greeting data to HTML. This RESTful web service controller populates and returns a greeting object. The object data will be written directly to the HTTP response as JSON. How come it will be written as a JSON? Is it by default or how come? Can I decide to return it as something else? In this code uses Spring REST controller annotation, which marks a class as a controller where every method returns a domain object instead of view. So that's because of the REST controller, I guess. Returns a domain object instead of view. It's shorthanding for including both controller and response body. Okay, so we'll just go over it. No rabbit holes. No rabbit holes. The greeting object must be converted to JSON thanks to Spring's HTTP message converter support. You need not to do this conversion manually because JSON 2 is on the class path. Spring's mapping JSON to HTTP message converter is automatically chosen to convert the greeting instance to JSON. Okay. Spring Boot application is a convenience annotation that adds all of the following. Spring Boot application is where that was the where is it? Here, Spring Boot application. This guy. Configuration typically is the source of P definition for the application context, whatever that means. Spring application run that. Okay. Enable auto configuration tells Spring Boot to start adding bean based on class path settings, other beans, and various property settings. For example, if Spring MVC is on a class path, this annotation flags the application as web application and activates key behaviors such as setting up a dispatcher servlet. There's like a lot of Chinese words. Components count tells Spring to look for components. Spring application run methods to launch the application. There is not a single line of XML. There is also not web XML file either. This application is standard pure Java. Did not have to deal with confirming polygon infrastructure. Okay. So build the executable. You can run the application by Spring Boot run. Alternatively, you can build jar file. I don't care about the jar file right now. Test the service. Okay, so I will run the application, which is what is the difference between those two? I will run this one. Okay, and so if I go to localhost and we are on the localhost GTAD, like that, we will get white label, but we can do greeting and we will get this but I can also say in here query, I say name equals SGR. Yeah, so that works. Hello world. Yep. That's what we got. We did that. This change request. Change from 1 to 2. I haven't noticed, so if I load 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, oh, I see. Okay. 8, 9, 10, okay. Hello, Noble Quima. Shazal Bay. I have seen you here, didn't I, already? You have been here. I feel like I've seen you. Hey, Bowser 11? Yeah, quite along. Enjoying the Spring Boot? Well, this tutorial is kind of good. I previously was following a different tutorial on YouTube, and it was horrible. It was so I was so angry when I finished. I did persist till the end, but I hated everything about it. It was so stupid. You didn't have a sub button last time. Oh really? Yeah. So now I do. So yeah. Now I am affiliate, and I have my emoticon. Emote, you know, and I also have like some things which you can redeem. For example, I did deactivate the most for them. So for example, you can oh shit. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That's really nice. Thank you. Thank you. That's pretty neat. Okay, so this timer says that we are done with the round number 6. So I'll stop the timer.